Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change camera video ratio Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, you can see below the option. Okay, you can see the video. Okay, you'll have to select the video. And okay guys, here in video, the ratio of this video is set into 9:16. Okay, to change this, you'll have to is tap the ratio icon on the top. And you can see the option. Okay, you can change into 1:1 or you can change into full. So I decide to change the camera video ratio into full. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully changed the camera video ratio on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.